loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we are starting with this beautiful, really gorgeous lace wig. This one comes courtesy of RPG Show. As you guys know, this is one of the nicest companies on the market these days. They have really nice sturdy packaging, and as you guys can see, it comes disinfected. So inside the box really quickly was obviously my wig, and it came in this beautiful sleeve like so. Now I love these because, I mean, you know, who doesn't love luxury and quality? Like, who doesn't love dust bags for your shoes and your accessories? So why not have, you know, a nice little home for your wig? Inside of there was also a pack or a set of wig caps. Also they didn't forget to give me some edge tamer, which is a really nice wax to use to kind of style the hair, and I'll show you how that works in just a moment. And then they have this lookbook, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so today we're not wasting any time. We're gonna jump right. Okay, so we're not gonna waste any time. Let's jump right into the install process. Okay, so this is a 20-inch Yaki wig. I got her in a cap B construction. All the details on this wig are linked in the description box. This one is set as a center part, and it's a nice natural texture. If you do want to move it over to a side part, you got leeway here. You might finesse it a little bit further over. So if you want to do a side part, you can definitely get it over here. The tracks start like right behind this, so this is the furthest you can put it over, and that would be beautiful. I want to keep it as a center part as is. Step one for me is just going to be to go ahead and cut the lace and install. I definitely want to see what this one looks like on me, and as you guys can see, the lace blends with my complexion really nicely, so I'm not even going to tint the lace. What I love about this company is they usually come with nice top of the line quality lace. The hair usually is pre-plucked, and you really don't have to do a whole lot. I love the way it's plucked already off the bat, but of course if you want to customize it a little bit more, that's always an option. This looks good to me, and I'm probably gonna make this some baby hair. Maybe we should not add baby hair today because you guys actually love it even more when I don't do baby hair. So I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. And now that we have the lace cut off, we're going to go ahead and install. This is one of my favorite products to use for bonding my wig down. This is actually a non-glue adhesive, so technically this is a glueless install. Now you definitely still want to be careful with a product like this, because if you have it on your hairline or attached to like your edges, if you will, and you just yank it up, it can still cause breakage to your hairline. With me, I have a pretty large forehead, so I am gonna go a little bit behind, or not behind, but I am gonna go a little bit in front of my hairline. Like, this is where my hairline starts, so I'm gonna start the wig in front. That way it's literally just skin, and I don't have to worry about manipulation or thinning of my actual hairline. Okay, so next up I'm going to take my heat protectant. This is from Tresemme. We all know and love this one. Linked in the description box. I'm going to be rocking with my OG favorite flat iron. This one gets really hot. I think it's 450. 465, and I'm just gonna go in. The hair is already straight, so you really don't have to do much. So I'm gonna go in with the flat iron, and then where I see fit, I'll do a little bit of the chase method just to kind of make sure it gets super straight. And this one has some natural layers to it that I love. So this is gonna be beautiful, so rock with me. Okay, so this is the final look, and I love the way it came out. I said it before and I'm gonna say it again. I love RPG show wigs just because they literally are like a 1, 2, 3 step type of wig where you literally just like cut the lace off, bind it down, do your little baby hair if you want. Usually it comes with a nice style to it. For this one, it came straight with a custom cut, so I just kind of, you know, spruced it up with a little bit of extra heat, and we are good to go. And it looks like I plugged in tweezers. It looked like I did a whole lot, and literally it was like a quick, literally one of the quickest installs I've done in a while. So I absolutely love her. Even though she's a Yaki texture, she still has so much movement to it, and that's key because sometimes Yaki, these companies don't get it right. I don't know what it is, but when they say Yaki, it's like thick and stiff. This is not stiff. It mimics my natural hair texture. It's just fuller, longer, and I can put as much heat as I want in it without that actually damaging my real hair. So I am absolutely in love. I'm gonna get a little bit of b-roll and some pictures with this one. I have a microblading appointment in the morning, so she's coming with me. And as you guys can see, I did not add any powder to the hairline. I did not add any concealer to the parting, and I don't even need to. Literally, if you are a beginner and you are looking for a good wig that's gonna last a long time and it's gonna be easy for you to install without professional help, this is a great option for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you were able to follow along and, you know, learn a couple of things about how to install your wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. The boobs are out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!